ko Tipene O'Regan, no Ngāi Tahu. Ko Aoraki, te mauka, ko Waitangi Taua. Ko Motu Pohe, te mauka tohu, no Awurua ahau, me Moiraki anō hoki. I've never been the creative edge myself. I've been the person who recognises the huge importance of the arts and the whole business of the restoration of a culture. My interest has been in the archives, the manuscripts, the translations and annotations, the collection of the photographs, the collections of carvings, the collections of the protection of Pounamu, getting the artists working again in those fields. And I've had to go and lead the matters of taking these battles right to the Privy Council in some cases for the restoration of Pounamu to our people and things like that. And then getting it locked down under Ngāi Tahu settlements. I think what's important is that we are now in a situation to own our own memory. We can dream about how we want the world to be. We're not reacting to other people's proposals about how Aotearoa New Zealand should be in future. We're big enough, strong enough to be able to have an opinion of our own and actually try and attempt to lead thought on those questions. Your arts, your kai, your identity, these are things that move me, and it's that spirit that I want to make sure is available to the next future generations so they can evolve themselves off this foundation that we've been able to restore them to.